Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here again, so I'm back on your screen. I can never leave. Please ignore the person at the back. Focus on me. I'm your main focus. Please like, comment, share this video if you love it, and turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. I'm going to react to "Set Fire to the Rain" by Adele. From time I love Adele. Sorry, I say it's Adele. Adele. I love her song. I love her voice. I have like 3 of her songs on my phone. I really enjoy listening to her. So before I forget, guys, please, I created a GoFundMe account. Please check in my description box. Check in my description box to know how you're going to support your girl. Please just click on it. Any amount is appreciated. I love you all. Please just check there. Just click on it. Donate any amount you want. I have a goal to reach $400 by the end of 20th of May. So please don't feel me. I know people got me. So let's get right into the video.
I let it fall, my heart, as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand. There's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true. And the games you play, you would always win. All
Adele made my childhood bearable. I love her songs. That's why I'm not going to say this is my first time hearing. Not my first time reacting to this song, but this is not my first time hearing the song, because I've listened to this song 1,001 times. I can't just explain how much I love her songs. Like, she's really amazing with her voice and how she sings. I love it. Please guys, tell me in the comment section. I'm out of reaction videos. I'm out of songs I want to react to it, guys. Please email me if you feel comfortable. Comment down below what video you like me to react to next. I would love to do it. And I'll turn on post notification. And please tell your friends to come and watch my videos and subscribe. Let's grow this family. And please check out my description box. I've said it before earlier in this video. Please, I created a GoFundMe account. Please click on the link on how to donate. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.